Morning, everyone. This is Tom Green from the National Weather Service in Raleigh. We are doing our routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, and I will be covering the period Monday, January 3rd through Sunday, February 5th. So the upcoming weather pattern for Central North Carolina, it's going to be an unsettled pattern through the week. So bulk of the rain has ended up moving to the east of our area. Can't rule out a quick sprinkle or something this afternoon, but this afternoon and tonight should be dry. But we are expecting several rounds of rain Tuesday through Friday. As we take a look at the maps here, there's going to be a decent ice storm that's going to develop across a good portion of the country. Anywhere that you end up seeing orange is where there's a chance or likely freezing rain expected. So you can see on that today graphic and the midweek graphic that from Texas up into Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, those are going to be the main areas that are going to end up being under that ice threat. It appears that we should end up having all liquid precipitation here. That being said, the heaviest rain is expected Thursday and Thursday night. I'll be touching on that a little bit more later in the briefing. Temperatures will be near or slightly above normal today, near normal tomorrow, and then will fall below normal for the rest of the week. Friday night into Saturday is looking like the coldest time period with lows in the 20s and highs in the 30s and 40s. So taking a look at our standard 24-hour rainfall maps, anything that you see in that upper left panel, a lot of that, of course, has already fallen for the day. But if you're back out by Greensboro, things should be dry. And then again, you can see each one of those days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we have rain across much of the area. Rain should be coming to an end across the area on Friday. So areas across the north may be dry, but then we'll have conditions drying out Friday. Again, as I stated earlier, Thursday is the day that we're looking at having the highest amount of precipitation. As we get to those dark blue colors, that's at least ½ inch of rain. And as we start to get to purples, that's 1.5 inches of rain. So you can see everybody should have at least ½ an inch, and we could get up to about 1.5 inches if you're closer to the Charlotte metro area on Thursday. And then again, our 5-day total is showing a decent portion of the forecast area with at least 1.5 inches of rain expected over the next 5 days. We are predicting a dry forecast over the weekend itself. So taking a look at the excessive rainfall outlook, you can see that the probability is low today and Tuesday across the entire country. And then on Wednesday, there is an area of concern closer to the Gulf Coast. So nothing here in the next 3 days. However, the Weather Prediction Center does an experimental day 4 and day 5 forecast. So these are not official products from the Weather Prediction Center. But they are the same type of forecast as these day 1, 2, and 3 forecasts that we typically show you. And you can see that the marginal is covering most of our area on Thursday. That would be from Thursday morning through Friday morning. This was outlooked in their time period when they did it as a day 5 forecast, and it is in here again today. We have introduced this into our hazardous weather outlook. We have not started sending out email briefings on this. Taking a look at the severe thunderstorm potential, you can see regionally there's a chance of thunderstorms well to our south today, but then other than that, we are not looking at any chance for thunderstorms in the next week for our forecast. Looking ahead to the 8 to 14 day outlook from next Monday through the Sunday after that, odds are favoring warmer and wetter than normal conditions from February 6th through February 12th. So overall, our weather summary, expect to have an unsettled pattern through the week with occasional rain Tuesday through Friday. And then temperatures will be near normal today and tomorrow. And then we will see temperatures falling below normal for the rest of the week. When it comes to the hazards and impacts, most of the area is under a marginal risk for excessive rainfall on Thursday.